Checking the connection. Hello, everyone. Hello, people. Good evening. It's happy evenings. Hi, Trivid. What's up? Hi, Mr. Kapadia. So let more people join. Hi, Dinesh. So how is this Saturday evening? Lockdown 4.0. So most awaited weekend, at least for Surat. I hope people are maintaining social distance and everything. Hi, Lekha is here. So let's connect. So we are having Lekha Prajapati with us. What a timing! जिसने टाइम की कदर की,
Hi.
समय ने उसकी कदर की. Hi Lekha, what's up?
Hello. I am good. How about you?
I'm must and more must after connecting with you.
Thank you.
So yes, सबसे पहले तो हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं लेखा प्रजापति फ्रॉम मुंबई, बेसिकली फ्रॉम राजस्थान, जयपुर, पिंक सिटी. वहां
Yeah.
की खूबसूरती हमें यहाँ पर अभी जैसे दिख रही हो वैसा लग रहा है. मेरे साथ है अभी. So यार
How are
सही
you?
में
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm good. We all are enjoying managing ourselves, controlling at home.
Absolutely true. Yeah, but I think, now I think at this point of time, we have all become so used to our new life. Like, this is our new lifestyle now. So we've become very,
Yes.
like, used to it now.
So true, so true. So how about Mumbai? How's it? Situation is pathetic,
Oh
I know,
no,
but
Mumbai is still in red zone, and
hmm.
definitely like things are like not getting better. But then yeah, like we as individuals, I just believe that we can do our bit. Like हम लोग हमारे घर पे, we are maintaining social distancing. We are sanitizing our hands. All whatever we are getting from outside, all the groceries and XYZ, we sanitize all. In fact, my mom, she all the vegetables she gets from outside, she puts it into salt water, and so all the precautions are being taken. But then yeah, like we are doing our bit as Indian citizens. We are doing our
We
bit.
have to because कोरोना कब
Yeah,
पीछा छोड़ेगा पता नहीं. लॉकडाउन तो शायद छूट जाए, बट सो ट्रू,
true.
सो ट्रू. सो सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये जानना है, आपने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ किया है, मतलब कॉलेज डेज से यू हैव बीन वेरी एक्टिव स्टूडेंट
Yeah,
एज वेल एज एक्टर. एड फिल्म्स की है, म्यूजिक वीडियोस किए हैं, मूवीज
yeah.
की है. सो अभी लॉकडाउन में क्रेजीएस्ट क्या किया आपने?
Okay, my one of my very good friends, Bharti, is here. Okay, hi Bharti. Craziest, what did I do? Like I joined TikTok. I mean, I know this wouldn't sound very great, but I was never a TikTok fan. And I used to just think that okay, TikTok is something just for fun, and like all these teenagers they do it, and I was like, okay, fine. I mean, but then I was like, since I'm free, and since there used to be so many nice challenges. Like we did one makeup brush challenge. Then there was one
बर्तन वाला
challenge
भी
where
चैलेंज था.
वो मैंने नहीं किया.
यस,
There was
यस.
this challenge. Then they're like nice quirky things. अच्छी तो I think I've joined TikTok अभी these days. So yeah, like
सो ऐसे ऐसे तैयार होने का मौका जब ये कुछ लाइव होता है तभी मिलता है या फिर वैसे भी?
nice. So what has happened? No, so online auditions has started. So if in case you and online meetings have started, if you want to meet someone and if the team wants to meet you, तो आजकल Zoom calls and ये सब start हो गया है.
यस.
So I think मतलब हो जाते ready ऐसा. So there's nothing much.
और अगर लेखा प्रॉपर मूड में है, घर के मूड में है, सो कौन से क्लोथ प्रेफर करते हो? व्हाट ड्रेस यू प्रेफर, रिलैक्सिंग क्लोथ?
I wear very loose. So see, I'm into a lot into shorts. So I wear a lot of shorts, and I wear a lot of like loose t-shirts. Like without anything inside, I'll wear a lot of loose t-shirts. I think all the girls they wear it. All the
ट्रू,
girls.
ट्रू, ट्रू. एंड अभी मुंबई की गर्मी अगेन, So
yeah,
so
it is very hot. तो हम लोग दिन को कहीं बाहर नहीं जाते हैं. And मैं तो सजेस्ट करूंगी कि कोई भी बाहर ना ही जाए दिन को, because even if you have to buy groceries and stuff like that, because actually it's very hot. I mean, मेरे घर में 24/7 AC चल रहा है अभी. I mean, you can imagine इतनी गर्मी है. So
तो
yeah.
बिल मस्त आएगा अभी सभी के घर का.
Yeah, but then other expenditures are not happening. Like we are not going
हाँ,
out, we are
that's
not
true.
stepping out. The petrol, we are not using our cars. Petrol नहीं
Yes.
use हो रहा है. Then how we people are. We like to go out every evening and this and that. And, chill with your friends, but nothing as such is happening. And we are not ordering anything from outside. Like my mom has strictly told us, if you order anything from outside, go and stay outside. I'm not going to let you inside my house.
Oh,
So we are
so
not
strict.
ordering. So yeah, no, yeah, she's in this way, she's very strict. So I started cooking a lot. So कुछ दिन पहले I made pav bhaji, then I made some oats ka dosa. So yeah, a lot of things, because we see we are all craving to eat something or the. I made pani puri also. So we are all craving to eat something or the other, but then अभी कुछ नहीं है. So this is the best substitute कि आप ingredients घर पे ले आओ and घर पे बनाओ.
Yes. So पानी पूरी की बात छेड़ी है, which is my weakness as well. So पूरी आपने घर पे बनाई?
नहीं, no. That was ready made. I just made masala और पानी.
मैंने पूरी भी घर पे बनाई. It's very
Yeah,
easy.
how to make that, yaar? No, it's very difficult. You have to wait. You have
No,
to
it's
try
very
that.
easy. रवा एंड मैदा मिक्स करो, उसको गर्म पानी से आटा लगाओ, गोल गोल जैसे भी नक्शा बने उसको तो हमें ऐसे गोल गोल काटनी ही है. सो वो रोल करके उसको फ्राई कर लो. ट्राई करो, इट्स यम. मैंने तो अभी बोला है कि मैं तो अभी घर पे ही बनाऊंगी. सो ट्राई करके.
I think people should be inspired by you and be inspired by it. We don't step out, don't order anything from outside. I'll tell you something. So there's a very, very famous chain in Mumbai. It's one of the most prestigious chains in Mumbai, and they started serving. They started giving out things. And few days back, we got to know that one of the person, like the key person, who used to make food inside their kitchen, is corona. Like he has corona. So now everything is stopped, and we have to be very careful, I would just say.
Yes, yes, so true. Same happened with Delhi. किसी ने मंगवाया था, फूड ऑर्डर किया था, उस बंदे को था पूरा जोन क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया. So
yeah,
yes.
because you never know कि उसने कहाँ टच किया होगा, और I think जिसने बनाया है वो खाना बना रहा था, and I don't know कहाँ टच किया होगा. So it's very dangerous अभी,
I must say कि अभी you are in Mumbai, महाराष्ट्र में लॉकडाउन 4.0 में कुछ भी रिलैक्सेशन नहीं दिया गया है. So you are more safe, मतलब you are safer than us, क्योंकि हमें रिलैक्सेशन दिया है तो अभी खतरा और बढ़ा है.
Tell me, what is happening in Delhi? I just know that Kejriwal sir has opened up everything, but like what's the guideline? I don't know. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है.
अच्छा है, मतलब अच्छा है. यू आर वेरी गुड, सेफ. सो कीप इट अप एंड एंजॉय दिस लॉकडाउन फेज. टिकटॉक वीडियोस और बनाए हम, आपके जो फैंस हमें और एंटरटेन मिलेगा घर पे बैठे बैठे.
I always had my YouTube channel, my own YouTube channel, but I used to never upload content. अगर कोई मीडिया बाइट होती थी या कोई मीडिया से कॉन्वर्सेशन होता था या कुछ some fashion show or something, so I used to just upload it. And then these days I've been realizing that everybody is online, and everybody is like on their phones or on their laptops, and now I'm actively like participating, and I'm creating a lot of content for the YouTube channel.
Wow. सुपर सुपर. एक बार जितने लोग जुड़े हैं उनको हाय हेलो कर दीजिए, फिर आपके लिए टास्क लेकर आई हूँ मैं.
Hi guys, yeah, Tanveer, and hi, hello, hi.
ओके. सो आज सैटरडे है, राइट? हम सभी को सैटरडे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अभी तो लॉकडाउन में हालांकि एवरी डे इज संडे एंड सैटरडे, वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू हैव. सो सैटरडे है आज, और एक 3 गाने आपको गाने हैं, मतलब 3 गाने आपको बताने हैं जो सैटरडे जिसमें वर्ड यूज हुआ है, या फिर शनिवार हो या फिर सैटरडे हो. थोड़ा बहुत लीनियंट रहूंगी आपके साथ, एज यू आर माई फेवरेट.
Oh, okay. So there's one song जिसमें I think it's Honey
People
Singh, I don't know.
have joined. You people can help her out.
Hi Pintu, yeah, there's one song now. Saturday कर दी na 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 na.
Today
Something like that. I don't
Saturday.
know.
एक हो गया.
Honey Singh का है. Is it Honey Singh's song?
हाँ हो गया, हाँ एक हो गया. पास.
Yeah.
2 और.
Songs with Saturday.
शनिवार भी चलेगा. हिंट दे दी मैंने.
There's one Shanivar Rati. Oh, what is such Shani? There's one song, no. एक there's one long rap.
ना 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 ना।
या कि शनिवार को बेबी जी पार्टी करने को तैयार, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एम आई नॉट राइट?
अरे हफ्ते में 4 शनिवार होने चाहिए।
ओ अरे
ना
यस
ना
यस.
ना ना। फिर द वन हु इज सेइंग शनिवार राती, किसने बोला
शनिवार
शनिवार
राती,
राती?
there's this guy called चिराग. हाय चिराग.
हाँ, तो शनिवार राती मुझको नींद नहीं आती, समथिंग इज
अच्छा,
ना
oh
ना ना
yeah,
ना।
it has it got Varun Dhawan in it? Varun Dhawan, uh, Pinto is saying Varun Dhawan is there. Hi Vipul.
ओके, सो अब लेखा, मतलब नाम का असर बहुत होता है, एंड आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड योर जर्नी, द वे यू स्टार्टेड, द वे यू व्हाट लेवल यू आर, मतलब बहुत मेहनत करके बहुत इंस्पायरिंग आपकी जर्नी है। सो लेखा का मतलब क्या होता है? क्योंकि नाम का बहुत असर होता है, जैसे कि विराट कोहली विराट, मैं प्रतीक्षा तो प्रतीक्षा करती रहती हूँ। सो व्हाट अबाउट लेखा?
How cool. अच्छा विराट. No, लेखा लेखा का मतलब like basically it's accounts. So accounts को हिंदी में it's called लेखा शास्त्र, like accountancy. So yeah, लेखा is accounts.
सो लाइफ
But
में
I am
कितना कैलकुलेटिव हो?
not balanced at all, huh? Otherwise, like it's called balance in accounting, but I'm not balanced that way.
राइट, और लाइफ में कितना कैलकुलेटिव हो?
Professionally, yes. Personally, no. Professionally, yes. You have to be a little calculative, Yeah.
सो ट्रू। एंड मैंने देखा है कि जब स्कूल टाइम में ही थे तभी एक कुछ था जिसमें बॉयज ही बाजी मार जाते थे, बट द ट्रेंड सेटर इन गर्ल्स वर लेखा प्रजापति। सो व्हाट
Oh,
वाज
how
इट?
do you know this? How do you know this?
मेरे बारे में कहते हैं प्रतीक्षा सब जानती है।
Wow, huh? मान गए. Oh yes, no. So what happened? So I was into NCC and I was into One Raj Air Squad in NCC Jaipur, and so एक rank होती है उसमें ना, rank होती है sergeant, this that, then officer, under officer, senior under officer, something like that. So I remember senior under officer हर साल only a guy used to get, like a male sergeant, or male officer used to get, and my commanding officer was I'm forgetting sir's name, but we used to call him Colonel Jangir, and he used to be there, and he told us that, I mean, this time there would be no as such thing that only boys are being given under of senior, and पता नहीं क्यों there was no such rule, ऐसा कोई rule नहीं था कि senior under
गाइस,
officer लड़कों को मिलेगा. हाँ, it was just that हमेशा लड़कों को मिलता था. Like हमारे स्कूल में भी there used to be captain and there used to be vice captain. तो 99.9% times captain हमेशा लड़का ही बनता था, and vice captain used to be always the girl. I don't know how and why, but ऐसा हमेशा होता था. So yeah, for the very first time in my battalion, I was the senior under officer for the first time, like a female senior under officer. And all the guys were like, I mean, they were happy, like, but then, because they had to take orders from me. But at the same time, yeah, you have to take orders from your the officer,
senior.
who's senior to you. So they were happy taking orders from me, but they somewhere or the other, they had this thing that, oh my God, every year, it's a boy who cracks it. This time, a girl cracked it. But then they were all supportive and stuff like that, and I was very lenient. Like मैं ऐसे कोई punishment नहीं देती थी, and I used to like not make them do a lot of things. So
वो
I was
सीनियर
very
जैसा
lenient.
कुछ व्यवहार नहीं करते थे आप?
हाँ, like yeah, I used to be very like friendly with all of them.
गुड यार, गुड। तो कई सारी लड़कियों को आपने वहीं से इंस्पायर करना शुरू किया है आई वज से। तो अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होती तो क्या होती?
Definitely defense services. In fact, मैं defense services की मैंने examination भी दी थी, but I wasn't able to clear the interview part. I cleared the written examination. So 100% I would have been a defense officer. And because मैं science background से नहीं हूँ, तो I couldn't go for like I couldn't go for flying. I couldn't fly a plane. But हाँ, मैं कोशिश यही करती कि मैं इंडियन एयरफोर्स में हूँ.
क्या बात है, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। अभी एक छोटा सा मुझे आपके साथ ये रैपिड फायर खेलना है। सो मैं आपको कुछ बोलूंगी, आपका एक्सप्रेशन, मतलब एक लाइन में कुछ नहीं कहना, आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है उस चीज के बारे में या उस बंदे के बारे में, ठीक है?
Okay.
So we are starting with Ali Merchant.
Oh, Ali. Okay. Okay, so Acha, I can't say anything. Like I do not have to say
No, no,
anything. But
you have to say something, whatever comes in your heart and your mind.
so Ali is a very chilled out person. He's one of the bestest DJs I've ever met and a very good actor. We shot together. We did a music video together called Hi Mera Dil, which was uh, a created version of Honey Singh's Hi Mera Dil original song. And it was very nice. And he's a fantastic guy. Very chilled out, very cool. He'll make you very comfortable on set. And he's amazing DJ. Whenever you come to Bombay, come and meet me, and I'll take you to one of his parties.
No,
And
even he had performed in Surat as well,
oh, okay, okay.
live. So he the radio partner. My film was the radio. I
Oh,
had enjoyed his whole
he's good
concert.
now.
Amazing,
He's too good.
amazing.
When it comes to EDM, English songs, music, Hindi music, he's good.
So आपको तो पहले लगा था कि he is very introvert kind of a person.
Yeah. Initially, yes, because I remember the moment he entered, like on set, and I was having my coffee, and he said he did not say hi, hello. He said, "अरे ये coffee कहाँ से मंगाया? Call one more for me." And I was like, "Ah, ये तो क्या है? What is this? No hi, no
क्या
hello."
सोचा था क्या निकला?
Huh? Yeah.
क्या
I
सोचा
mean,
था क्या निकला ऐसे?
सोचा नहीं था, but then it's always like this, no? Whenever like you come on set, you always meet, hug, and you're like, hi,
Yes.
this, that. But then, yeah, he was like, yeah, a little intimidating initially, but then it was fine.
True, true. Okay, पहले की लेखा और अब की लेखा, मतलब लेखा द एक्टर जब थिएटर करना स्टार्ट किया तब की लेखा और एक्टिंग करना स्टार्ट किया ऑन स्क्रीन, एडवर्टीजमेंट्स की, वीडियोस की, मूवीज कर रहे हो. So what is the
उसमें
difference between?
difference, I think I'm more focused now. I think I'm more clearer with my goals right now. I exactly know what I want in my life. क्योंकि शुरुआत में, when you start, see, I'm from a non-filmy background. Absolutely, my father is a senior journalist. My mom is a homemaker. So I have no idea कि acting का मुझे A भी नहीं आता है. Like मुझे होता है ना, you see your parents doing that and you learn. तो ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है. So it's absolutely a new world for me. And initially when I used to do theatre, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता था that how am I going to pursue a career when it comes to acting, और मैं करूँ क्या? Like there are a lot of people, they ask me this question, how do we start, what do we do? So I started with modeling, and then I went to theatre, and then I shifted to Mumbai. But then initially, yes, I was very very confused, and मुझे कहते हैं ना, आपको पाथ नहीं पता है कि you have to walk this path, but you don't know which path to choose क्योंकि आपको पाथ ही नहीं पता है. But now, after doing a decent amount of work, now I'm very very clear like what I want. So yeah,
So how acting happened to you?
so see,
Theater भी.
as I told you, I was into modeling, and so I wanted to join NCC, but then that wasn't happening, and it did not happen. And I read in the newspaper there was this state thing happening, like how Miss India happens, national state, वैसे ही Miss Rajasthan was happening, and I went and I participated, and I did not win, but then I won best hair and best smile, and I was like, okay, this is what I want to do. This is very nice, and this is something which really boosts my confidence, and I really like it. So I started doing a lot of modeling. I used to travel to. I used to come to Surat also for a lot of shoots. I used to travel to Delhi. Yeah. Surat में कितने shoots होते हैं, like big catalog shoots and stuff like that, big campaigns and stuff. Sari campaigns and this and that. So yeah, I used to travel a lot, and one fine day, I realized that this is a little short-term career. Like, if I really want to do it my entire life, I have to do something more. And then I thought of acting. And my friend told me, see, in Jaipur, there's no such acting school. Like how in a year we have Anupam Kher School, then we have Namit Kishore Acting Institute. There's no as such school. So then I had to join theatre. And that was one of the bestest parts of my journey so far, because theatre teaches you a lot. It teaches you how to work when it comes to team. It teaches you to put your team first. Like it teaches you to put your team even before you put your own self. अपने बारे में बाद में सोचना. First, you're thinking about the team. Like you will not think, oh my god, मुझे why do I have just 2 dialogues? Yeah, मेरा तो कोई dialogue ही नहीं है. I'm just doing backstage. No, when the show starts, the entire energy and the entire focus is that we have to give a good show. So I think, you know, a lot of teamwork I learned from there. Then basics of acting में जैसे 9 रस होते हैं, there are 9 emotions, उसके बारे में. Then होता है, you know, you form that circle, सारे actor friends, सारे director friends, and उसके थोड़े दिन बाद में, you know, I shifted to Mumbai. So yeah, we performed all over India. We went to Pakistan, we went to Lahore, we went to Karachi. So it was an amazing experience.
Great. So when you thought to, you know, entered into modeling industry, your mom, dad were okay with it? Like,
Yeah, my like parents are quite open-minded.
okay.
When I told them I want to get into defense, they were like, okay. And in defense also, you know, you can't stay with your family. Like once I
Right.
become an officer, मेरी जहाँ पर भी posting आएगी, I have to stay there. So yeah, like my father is quite like open like that. Yeah.
उनको
Both
नहीं
our
लगा कि
parents
मैं
are-
जर्नलिस्ट हूँ तो मेरी बेटी कुछ जर्नलिज्म में करे, कुछ लिखे, कुछ टीवी में न्यूज चैनल में काम करे, ऐसा कुछ? और you didn't ever feel to
No,
do
I did
this?
not feel. I did not feel like, you know, to I never had that urge to, you know, go out and, you know, yeah, I could have been an anchor maybe, because since I love camera, maybe I could have been an anchor. But then उस वक्त इतना नहीं समझ में आया था. Like when I started, उस वक्त इतना नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि what should I join. And luckily NCC happened, and because of NCC, you know, I had this feeling that since I've done NCC, I should join defense services.
Oh, yes. And you said about acting very well, but and lucky you were that you had Mahesh Bhatt to train you.
Yeah.
So say
Yeah.
something about Mahesh Bhatt.
Yeah, so I participated in a show called India's Next Superstars, and it was being judged by Rohit Shetty and Karan Johar. And Mahesh Bhatt sir used to come, and, you know, he used to train us, and it was lovely. Yeah, it is surreal. I mean, you know, he is such a deep person. You know, he's so spiritual, and he'll you know, he'll never teach you about acting. वो आपको ये कभी नहीं बताएंगे कि okay ऐसे acting करके करो, या, you know, oh, this is the way you should laugh, this is the way you should cry. No, he'll teach you much more about acting. He'll teach you about life. He'll teach you how to lead a good life. He'll teach you how to become a good person. Because he always says that, you know, a good actor can only be a good actor if he's a good person. So, which is very true, I believe. Like, yeah.
So true. तो लेखा को क्या पसंद है, मतलब कैसे फिल्में करना चाहेंगी? कॉमेडी, रोमांस, थ्रिलर, हॉरर?
Rom-com is my genre. Rom-com. Like, I love romance and comedy. And you mix
Okay.
them, it's like my genre, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I like full commercial stuff. Like, yeah.
अभी आपने कुछ थ्रिलर हॉरर में भी ट्राई किया, मतलब
Yeah.
मलयालम फिल्म
Yeah.
you have done, right?
Yeah, it's like it's my debut Malayalam film, and it's a horror thriller film. It's called Shanam, and supernatural parts के ऊपर बात हो रही है, and एक बहुत ही simple सी लड़की की story है. So yeah, I mean, once this lockdown is over, our producers are planning to release it post lockdown.
Right. And what about Abhishek Bachchan? Don't say the movie name, because जो Bollywood movie में we are gonna see Lekha Prajapati next opposite Abhishek Bachchan. So उस movie का आपको act करना है, पर उससे पहले about Abhishek Bachchan.
Abhishek, अच्छा, एक तो first of all, I'm not opposite Abhishek sir. I am opposite Soham Shah in the film, the guy who did Tumbad.
Okay.
Yeah, have you watched Tumbad?
Okay.
Have you watched Tumbad? Like, have you watched Tumbad?
No.
Okay, so Tumbad is one of the most critically acclaimed films of 2019, and you should watch it. It's a lovely film. Yeah, it's a lovely
Tumbad.
Tumbad, yeah. It again talks a little about supernatural parts, and it's a very light, nice and lovely film.
Okay.
Abhishek sir is very, very grounded. He's very grounded, and I remember the first day when I came on set, I was there and I was reading my lines, and he came. And then he greeted everyone, and then he came to me and he's like, "Hi, I'm Abhishek Bachchan." I'm like, "Sir, you don't need to tell me I'm Abhishek sir." So yeah, and he's quite nice. Yeah, he's very easy to work with, and yeah, he's very energetic, and, you know, he looks very serious, but he'll keep cracking a lot of jokes. Like, he'll be sitting and, you know, he'll be like rehearsing his lines, or, you know, whatever, doing his own thing. But then when it comes to cracking jokes, like, he's no less. He'll crack jokes and stuff. He'll make you laugh.
ग्रेट. तो चलिए, अभी आपको एक्ट करना है वो मूवी का नाम जिसमें हम आपको देखने वाले. यस, 3 words.
3 words.
बोलना नहीं, मैं बोलूंगी ना. हाँ, 3 words. सेकंड. हाँ, पीपल जो जो लोग जुड़े हैं उनको गेस करना
Guys,
है.
yeah. Okay, guys, tell me what am I doing? Okay. See.
ओके. हाँ, रोशनी. ओके, मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रही, बस मैं आई एम नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग हर. ओके
But
गाइस.
nobody is saying it.
नहीं,
Guys,
मुदस्सर,
no. Ankur is
अंकुर.
saying Dil.
ओके.
Hi, Mr. Bhatnagar. Hi, Rohit.
दिल
Rohit,
दिल
come
दिल
on.
नहीं. So
Rohit, I'm Rohit,
अंकुर से.
we are playing Dramshras. I'm guessing a no. You have to guess a film I'm acting. Okay.
यस.
Rohit, see. Acha, okay, fuck it.
कम ऑन गाइस. दिल दिल से बाहर आओ.
Rohit, third
ओके.
word.
हाँ. No, 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 you are not
No.
saying.
Rohit, come on, you
दिल.
can do it. Horse.
ये
Yes,
दिल.
yes, yes, Rohit. Yeah.
हाँ, वेरी मच नियर. किसके होते हैं?
हाँ.
3 words. Yes. Sing. और. ओके. अब सेकंड लेटर कीजिए. सेकंड वर्ड. एक्चुअली कैम ऊपर नहीं जा रहा तो समझ नहीं आ रहा, थोड़ा नीचे.
He's saying Santyak. No. Rohit, no.
अब
But you're very
वो.
clear. You're very, very near to it.
यस,
What do
वेरी
you
नियर
call
टू इट.
sand in English?
आप चीटिंग है लेखा, ये चीटिंग है आपकी, फिर आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. ये मूवी आने वाली है, यू जस्ट नीड टू कोई कोई वर्ड आगे बोलो, क्योंकि ये मूवी एज इट इज अपकमिंग फिल्म ऑफ लेखा. हाँ, आगे.
Trivid is saying, shall I? Trivid, you don't tell us. Okay, Trivid, you can give it a try. Trivid is saying, shall I?
त्रिविद,
Okay,
कृपया
Rohit.
प्रतीक्षा करें.
Rohit, absolutely
यस,
right.
फाइनली. सो आप जीत
That
रहे
is
हैं.
right, Prem
क्या बात है,
Nanda.
द बिग बुल. यस, क्या बात है, बाहुबली. अरे बाहुबली.
Yeah, I'm doing
राइट.
this because I was trying to show the bull.
Yes, and your air was perfect. Many people recognized it.
Yeah.
काफी लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया. द बिग बुल. सो व्हाट इज इट,
Yeah.
मतलब कैसी मूवी है? अभी तो अटक गई है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन, बट व्हाट यू से अबाउट दैट मूवी?
It's based on stock market, and it has got Ileana ma'am in the film. Ileana D'Cruz. Abhishek sir is there. Soham is there, and it's a lovely film. It's an amazing film, and yeah, I'm eagerly waiting to see it. We are still shooting for it. Let's see. I mean, once the lockdown is over, we'll resume our work, and then. Thank you,
Right.
Ankur. Hi. Thank you, Ankur. Hi,
Okay.
Sagar.
हाँ हाँ, हाय सॉरी, मैं ये लोग बोलेंगे ये प्रतीक्षा है ना, बहुत बीच में डिस्टर्ब कर रही है. सो बिग बॉस, अगर आपको कभी ऐसे बिग बॉस जैसी शो में बुलाया जाए तो वुड यू बी पार्ट ऑफ सच शो?
Acha, I'll tell you something. So India's Next Superstars, in a way, it was House of Big Boss, because we had no telephones with us, so we had no connection with the outer world, and 3 months tak we were like just with our we were just with our, like, what do you call, the other contestants, and we had no phones, we had nothing, like we couldn't speak to our parents, we were not even aware that Sridevi ma'am passed away. Mahesh Bhatt sir, he came and he told us that Sridevi ma'am is no more, and so we
Okay.
had absolutely no connection, with the outer world. So yeah, we were only me and other contestants, that's it.
सो मतलब ऐसा है कि अभी हम नॉर्मल लोग अभी क्वारंटीन हुए हैं, आपको तभी से ये ट्रेनिंग मिल गई है?
Yeah, but then वहाँ पर क्या था ना, like quarantine में, like you are not able to step out, but every time, like every Saturday Sunday we had to perform in front of the judges, Rohit sir and Karan sir, and we were only focusing on 2 things, that is acting and dancing, that's it, like nothing apart from that. तो हाँ, like मतलब in a way it was a Big Boss का घर ही देखा जाए तो.
मतलब कंप्लीट जो करना है, जिसका व्हाट इज यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, वही चीजें आपको कंप्लीटली करनी है, राइट?
Exactly.
अंकुर का एक सवाल है कि व्हाट वुड यू, आपका रिएक्शन क्या होगा जब फैन आपको मिल जाएगा?
Yeah, I feel very shy. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, there are times, when they come and they say, hi, can we click a selfie and can we click a picture? I feel very shy. And
Right.
then I'll tell you sometimes what happens is, like, if there are 4 boys, they've come up that, hi Lekha ma'am, we want to click a picture. So I'll ask them to come in a group and click a picture. Now they'll say, no, we want individual pictures. Then वो एक आएगा and then वो एक खड़ा रहेगा. Then he'll go, then other person will come. Then the other one. So yeah, it becomes difficult, but it's nice.
Yes. What was your first fan moment? Like, फर्स्ट टाइम जब कोई ऐसी मोमेंट हुई हो, यू रियलाइज कि यार मैं सेलिब्रिटी बन गई?
I mean, not a celebrity, but then I remember I was shooting for a campaign. I was in Delhi and I was shooting for a campaign, and the client who was shooting for us, his daughter, she came to me, hi Shyam. She came to me and she told me, hi ma'am, can I get an autograph? And I'm like, oh my god, your dad is paying me. You don't need an autograph from me. She was the client's daughter, and yeah, it was very nice and it was a lovely moment. I'm like, "Arey photo, I mean, why not?" And then, like, मैंने उसको गोदी में उठाया and then we clicked a picture. So yeah.
So this was your first fan moment.
Yeah. And she was a very cute looking girl, very cute and sweet looking girl.
Yes.
And she's like, I'll follow you since India's Next Superstars. I've seen you here, I've seen you there. I'm like, so thank you so much.
Okay. What do you think about education?
Very necessary, very, very necessary. People just think that, one needs to be educated because, we can, like, earn tomorrow and, we can make money. But it is much, much, much more than just making money, Education, it actually teaches you the direction, you need to take in your life. And, it really, really helps you. Hi, Siddharth. It really, really helps you in decision making. Like, today, see, I'm an economic honors student. Even though my education is not actually helping me, like in acting, my economics classes are not helping me in a way, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then still, when it comes to a decision making, or when it comes to money, or when it comes to something where I'm stuck and I have to choose between one of 2 or 3 options, it comes handy. It really works for me. So I feel education, people just think that, okay, hum degree le lenge and we'll, like, it's just another source of income. No, it's not. It's much more than that. And plus, I feel you understand, education. See, for example, tomorrow you're talking to someone. If you're educated, or not educated, if you know a little bit about that particular topic, you can hold a conversation. Otherwise, you can't. So I feel, yeah, मतलब it has बहुत सारे उसके फायदे, एक ही फायदा नहीं है.
As she said कि अच्छा एक्टर, एक अच्छा, उससे पहले एक अच्छा इंसान होना जरूरी है. And education somewhere plays a very huge role in this, right?
True, absolutely true. See, I feel education, it teaches you how to think. Yes. It's very important for you to, yeah.
And what about marriage? शादी के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
See, abhi to I'm just married and committed and entirely devoted to one thing, and that's my career. That's it as of now, right now. Yeah, मतलब शादी के बारे में, हाँ, it's not bad. I've seen my parents, like, they are touch wood so happy in their married life, but then not right now. Like,
No, but शादी overall, मैं आपकी शादी की बात नहीं कर रही, but overall, what do you think? What are your thoughts about शादी?
Shit.
अरे अगर मैं लड़का होती तो मैं प्रपोज कर लेती, लगे हाथ 2 काम कर लेती.
Okay. Yes, I think I absolutely believe, and I would like to get married at some point of time when my Prince Charming is next to me. But then, yeah, I mean, I just feel, okay, forget about marriage. Like, even if you're in a relationship, I think if you understand each other, I think much more than that. I've seen so many people here, like in Mumbai, live-in relationship is not a very big thing. Like, I've seen so many people here they've been together since say 10 years, 15 years, 15, 16, 17 years now, and they are not married. They stay together. There's no such bond that, there's no such
Hmm.
legal thing that nahi hum
हाँ,
shadishuda. So I
right,
think
right.
it's more about understanding. If you understand the other person, yeah.
And Lekha ke would be में what are the criterias? Whosoever will be,
Criteria,
he
oh
should
god,
be
see, there are no criteria, I'll tell you.
okay.
I've dated guys and I've realized this, there is no criteria. There's no such criteria, yeah.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए बंदा समझदार होना चाहिए राइट
Ah, he should be understanding, even though if he's not from your field, if he's from the entertainment industry, well and good. If he's not from the entertainment industry, hi, Siddhant Singh, there are.
देयर आर oh
He's a very good friend, very, very good friend.
so
So,
he must be
yeah,
knowing something right okay
what?
nothing I'm saying he is a good friend so yeah
Yeah, so yeah, I just feel you should be able to understand the person. Respect is important, understanding is important, and I feel, I mean, you would also agree with me. Giving space is also very important. Like, you can't you
it is
can't
very important
see, yeah, you see, I just feel whenever you like a person, or whenever you decide to be with him or her, just accept the person who he is or she is, and accept him or her wholly. Like, don't say,
hmm.
okay, मुझे ये सारी चीजें तो अच्छी लगती है, but I want you to change this. I mean, that is something very wrong when you try to. Okay,
Change
I
the
think I was reading it somewhere.
hmm.
I follow this page on Instagram, and they talk about relationships, career, love, and something like that. So they told us that each and every person has got that mold, that this is how the perfect person should be.
Hmm.
But the best thing, no, but the thing that really works is, you should be able to accept the person how he or how she is, and you should be open for changes, and open for other thoughts, and like, I have certain sort of thinking, like, this is how it works. But
Hmm.
if tomorrow Pratiksha comes to me and she says me, Lekha, you know what, you can try this also, this might work. So
Hmm.
I should
Hmm.
be open to, I should be open enough to accept that कि
Yes
maybe प्रतीक्षा को मुझसे शायद ज्यादा पता होगा, शायद एक बार ट्राई
hmm.
करने में क्या जाता है. So I should be open to changes, basically. That's what I mean.
Super
Yeah.
super amazing what do you say about theaters
Theater, like theater as in like theater, not theater, right?
So,
Yeah.
matlab, you have done many plays, you have done theaters, you
Yeah,
started
yeah,
acting
theater. I'll
from that
tell you.
stage.
Yeah, I'll tell you. The first and the most the most important difference which I feel, acting in front of a camera and acting in front of live audience, is
Yeah.
that you get immediate reaction. You
Hmm.
know, and before the show is going to start, there's goosebumps. It's like, oh my god, will I be able to do it? There are butterflies in your stomach, and
Yes.
there's so much anxiety and stuff like that. And the moment you step in, like the moment the first step you take on that theater platform, you just get into the character, and I think that's the beauty. I think that is lovely, because when it comes to camera, हमारे takes होते हैं, cuts होते हैं. The
Hmm.
moment you cut, I again become Lekha. Then I
Hmm.
get into the character just before action, kuch minute
Yes.
pehle, and then I act. But I feel that's, and one more thing about theater, the best thing is that jo hai wahi hai. It's like you do it or die. Like,
Right.
because like even if you have fumbled, there are no retakes. It's like just a one take act without any
Yes.
cuts. आप अपनी line, एक बार मैं line भूल, these are the small
हाँ.
cheap thrills which we get out of theater. Yeah, and I just
Super.
believe any person, who's planning to get into acting, or who wants to become an actor, I think he or she should, maybe even if you're not acting on the stage, just join a theater group. I would just suggest everybody to join a theater group. भले ही 2 plays के लिए, भले ही backstage काम कर लो, but you learn a lot.
Super. Super. And what do you say about if I give you two options, Rohit Shetty and Karan Johar?
अरे यार, come
Yes.
on, Pratiksha. Very, this is absolutely unfair. I'm not choosing anything. I'm in love with both of them.
Okay, so say something about them.
See, Karan Johar is like, what do I say? Like, he is Okay, Karan sir is like full of energy and full, and his sense of humor is amazing. Like his sense of humor is like out of this world, and there are so many jokes. He cracks it up. He'll laugh on his own, and then later you'll think that why did he even say that? And then you'll connect the dots that oh, इनका मतलब ये था. So
Oh,
he's very witty. You can see Coffee with Karan में like he'll make the actor speak what he wants to. So he's
yeah.
very witty. He's very smart. Rohit sir is very chilled out. He's one of the most chilled out person like I've ever met, and he's like very cool. He's like, इतना स्ट्रेस मत लो तुम लोग, करो ना यार, क्या है, एक्टिंग ही तो करनी है क्या. मैं तुम्हें अच्छा, I'll tell you one incident. What happened? There was one scene in which a guy had to push the other guy,
Hmm.
and he had to like just push him aggressively. And we were rehearsing, and the guy who had to push, वो push कर रहा था, but he was like pushing ऐसे बहुत gently, like like this. He was pushing like this.
Okay.
रोहित सर ने कहा अरे पुश करना उसको, अच्छे से कर, अच्छे से पुश कर.
Hmm.
So एक टेक हुआ, दो टेक हुआ, तीन टेक हुआ. So रोहित सर got a little agitated. He's like, क्या यार तुम्हें धक्का देना नहीं आता. He came on stage and he pushed the guy. That guy fell down.
Oh.
He's so huge. Rohit sir is so huge. उनने ऐसे थोड़ा सा धक्का दिया, वो पूछ उधर जाके गिर गया. And then सर ने कहा, oh I'm so sorry, मुझे नहीं पता था तू prepared नहीं है. So yeah.
अब वो बंदा बेचारा ऐसे कर रहा था, उसको लगा ये थोड़ा और ज्यादा होगा, उसको नहीं पता ना कि
Yeah,
ऐसे हो जाए,
he thought Rohit sir ही तो थोड़ा ज्यादा धक्का दे देंगे. उसको आइडिया नहीं था that
गिर
and
जाऊंगा.
yeah, and Rohit sir is huge, like so,
राइट राइट राइट, ऑफ कोर्स. पूरी गाड़ियां उड़ाते हैं यार, वो किसी को भी उड़ा सकते हैं.
exactly वो उन्होंने हमको बिल्कुल लाइव दिखाया एक लड़के को कैसे उड़ाया जाए.
हाँ. अभी आपका और मेरा सभी लोगों का प्यार पानी पूरी, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? बिकॉज आई सॉ वन पोस्ट ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम.
Yeah. I love pani puri, yaar. And I miss like we North Indians, we are so much into masala, and we need a lot of masala in our food, and we need a lot of spices in our food. So I feel sometimes, yes, abhi lockdown ki wajah se, but then you know what, I've started realizing that if you are craving for something, na, try to make it like
घर पे.
घर पे बनाने की कोशिश करो. हाँ. And the first thing that I'm going to do is pani puri. I'm going to eat pani puri.
अटैक. मेरा भी यही है.
Attack.
मेरा भी यही है, पर अभी मुझे नहीं, मैंने एक बार इतनी अच्छी से बार बार बना ली घर में, अभी मुझे बाहर की अच्छी लगेगी नहीं लगेगी.
But you have to teach me, how do you make that? How do you make that puris? What would you have to teach me?
हाँ, पक्का मैं आपको फोन पे बताऊंगी, वीडियो भेजूंगी.
100%.
ओके. क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग यू हैव डन, यू सेड कि टिकटॉक वीडियोस बनाए, तो मुझे उस बंदे को थैंक्स कहना है जिस बंदे का हाथ है ये वीडियोस बनाने के पीछे. मतलब जो बंदा आपके वीडियोस लेता रहा, बगैर टिकटॉक वीडियोस, मतलब एक मूवी शायद करनी इजी है, पर टिकटॉक वीडियोस बनाने बहुत हेक्टिक है. मतलब फ्लिपसिंग नहीं आता, ये होता है. हु इज दैट पर्सन, योर पर्सनल कैमरामैन?
No, generally it's my younger brother who hates to do it. He's like, I don't want to do it. I'm like, please, one more take. He's like, Arey, what? I don't want. I'm like, one more take, please. But then generally what do I do is like, there's this tape, can you see this mirror? So I place it there. Like mirror,
Okay.
can you see that mirror? Yeah, I place it on the platform. I place it on the platform, and I place 2-3 books uske piche, so that the camera is stable, and then I shoot. So generally I don't need anybody.
When you're doing your video, TikTok वाले ऐसे पागलपंती वाले video, what is your mom's reaction?
She laughs. She's like, my daughter has lost it. Actually.
राइट. और अभी 5 बातें जो लेखा को करनी अच्छी लगती है. 5 things you love to do, you like to do.
I love to act. I love to dance. Love to act. Love to dance. I love to eat street food. I'm like, I can't work out. I just can't work out. Pata nahi, I just can't work out. But then I love to eat street food. Then. I love to go like I love to go out with my family. Like that destination does not matter, but then till the time I'm with my family, I really like to go out and spend time.
Right.
And I like to drive. I like to drive a lot.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah, I drive a lot. Even now I drive. Even though the lockdown is there, still I drive. Like I'll go for a drive and I'll come back.
जयपुर सूरत में से क्या अच्छा, सॉरी जयपुर मुंबई में से क्या अच्छा लगता है?
ओ गॉड, ये ऐसा है कि पापा मम्मी में से कौन अच्छा लगता है, लाइक दोनों ही अच्छा लगता है. बट देन नाउ स्टिल सिंस आई एम इन मुंबई, माय फैमिली इज हियर, तो ठीक है मुंबई अच्छा है. बट देन yeah, I mean Jaipur is the one, who like actually I was born and brought up there. My schooling, my education was there. My friends were there. So obviously I miss Jaipur. I miss Jaipur a lot. And every now and then I keep going it. I keep going there. So Siddhant, you have nothing. You have missed nothing. He's saying, "Arey, I missed it."
नहीं
Yeah.
नहीं, ये वीडियो यहीं पर रहने वाला है, यू कैन वॉच इट अगेन. अभी ये फैसिलिटी दी है हम एंड्रॉइड वालों को भी इंस्टाग्राम ने.
Yeah. Yeah.
ओके, पांच तो नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि यू आर वेरी मच जियो दिल से पर्सन. सो आई वुड लाइक टू नो 3 थिंग्स यू डिसलाइक टू डू.
Work out. I can't work out, yeah. I have to work out since I'm in this profession. I have to look nice on screen, but I hate working out, yeah. मुझसे नहीं होता
Right.
workout. Like, my trainer, if he sees what sort of food I'm eating, he'll be like, Lekha, I will give you double the amount of money. You take money and never show me your face because I'm never going to train you. Because I'm eating all pani puri and all puri. Yesterday also we ate what dahi vada and all, and it's a big no. He has asked me not to eat anything which is deep fried. And pani puri to आप तेल में ही उसको तलते हो, तो you can't help it. But I don't like to work out, but I have to, like, it's yeah. Yeah. And what I don't like, I don't like people who are not good at their work. Like, for example, I mean, I was reading, I was reading somewhere, even if you are a shoemaker, you should be the best shoemaker. Like, in your capacity, you should be the best shoemaker. And even if you're a carpenter, you should be the best. You should be best at your work, whatever you're doing. I think I don't like inefficient people who are not able to, like, match up to their profession, to the skill set of their profession. And third thing, what I don't like to wake up early. Yeah. I'm a night person. I really can't. कोई मुझे बोलता है ना, okay, कल से हम लोग सुबह 7 बजे वर्कआउट करेंगे. I'm like, हम शाम को 7 बजे करेंगे, सुबह I can't do it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, obviously कभी कभार on set, कभी कभार क्या, mostly on set हमारा call time हमेशा 9 o'clock का होता है. So you have to leave by 8:30. You have to wake up by 6:37 so that you get ready, you eat your breakfast and you leave. When you're shooting, obviously you have to wake up early. But then yeah.
Right. Superb. It was really nice talking to you. It is
Same
very
here.
refreshing.
Same here. And you so many
Rekha.
nice questions.
So then,
This is freezing. Your video is freezing.
yes. Now it's
Can
fine.
you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tisha, you asked me such nice questions. I just feel everybody has got those fixed set of questions. वो वही पूछते हैं, and I am like fed up answering them. Like, and we played so many games. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. And yes, lastly, before going, I'm an RJ, right? So I do contest in my show that is called Pratiksha का पंगा. मैं मेरे listeners से पंगा लेती हूँ. So आपके साथ पंगा दूंगी. आपको मुझे ये बताना है कि ऐसा तो क्या है जो ऊपर जाता है, नीचे जाता है, पर हमारी आंखों के सामने रहता है. What is it? सोचो. People who are there watching this video, who are there with us in this live,
ऊपर जाता है, नीचे जाता है, पर
हमारी आंखों के सामने रहता है.
Your eyeballs?
No, we ourselves we cannot see na. This is to just
you can see it. Okay.
Yeah.
जो ऊपर जाता है, नीचे जाता है. Air? I mean, अच्छा बड़ा
air किसको दिखती है भाई?
Body की कैसा
You
mood
are
है?
seeing
Guys,
this
help
side,
me.
side pose is just like Vipasha Basu, your dimple. कितने लोग घायल हो गए होंगे इस dimple के पीछे.
Yeah, यार, I get it all the time. Every time I shoot, they say that, oh, this profile is like Vipasha, this profile is like. I'm like, I'm not.
So Bollywood is getting Vipasha Basu, another Vipasha Basu.
अच्छा, तो ऐसी कोई चीज जो ऊपर जाती है, नीचे आती है, और पर आपकी आंखों के सामने रहती है.
Yes.
थोड़ा हिंट दो ना यार, ये तो बहुत थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है.
आपको वर्कआउट करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, बट इट इज द बेस्ट वर्कआउट टूल, आई मस्ट से. Not exactly workout tool, but उससे बहुत अच्छा वर्कआउट हो जाता है. And yes, because of this coronavirus, we are using it more. We avoid the shortcut.
that bar, like if I
नो, चलिए बता देती हूँ. सीढ़ियाँ, सीढ़ियाँ जो ऊपर
oh
जाती नहीं.
god, staircases, oh god, yes, actually true. जो ऊपर जाती है नीचे जाती है पर फिर भी आंखों के सामने रहती है. So
यस, अगर आप जीतते तो मैं आपको प्राइज देती, पर अभी आपको मुझे देना पड़ेगा. सो आप जब भी सूरत आओगे, प्राइज विल बी कि आप माय फिल्म स्टूडियो अगेन. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव लोचा, खमन,
yeah,
so many
100%,
things as we both are foodie, right?
100%. We will. In fact, every time I come there for shoot, you know, I eat that Gujarati thali. I
Yes,
have
this
it.
time just let me and Trivid know
Yeah.
about it. Yeah.
True. How's Trivid? He's good.
Trivid is great actually. उसके हैंडल से ही मैं लाइव हूँ. This is the first time I am doing live from another handle. बाकी मैं मेरे पेज से करती हूँ. So for me it is another amazing experience.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
thanks.
Asha, and good luck for your lineup. I believe you have a lot of actors now
Yes,
lined
yes,
up,
yes.
right?
Thank you so much, Lekha.
Thank
Bye bye.
you.
Tata, take
And
care.
you're full of energy, and I love you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Mwah, mwah. Thanks a lot. Love you too. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes, guys. Okay, so there are more is gonna happen on this page. So stay connected. Bye bye.